Hello friends, welcome to the RRB previous year question discussion, and in this video I am going to discuss profit and loss. Friends, if you come to the topic profit and loss, there are four terms mainly, that is cost price, selling price, profit and loss. See friends, many of you know what is cost price. This is the price with which the shopkeeper avails the goods. The important thing that you have to remember is that while solving the profit and loss question, you have to get into the mindset of shopkeeper. See friends, for shopkeeper to avail the goods, how much price he has to spend is called cost price. And with some profit, he will sell the goods with some price. That price is called selling price. Have you got it friends? Shopkeeper buys some goods with some amount, that is called cost price, and with some margin he will sell the goods, that is called selling price. And the difference between the selling and cost price is nothing but profit. If selling price is greater than cost price, if cost price is greater than the selling price, then he will get loss friends. Then another important thing that you have to remember while solving profit and loss is that the profit percentage is given by profit divided by cost price. The loss percentage is given by loss by cost price. Always the base has to be cost price. Okay friends, if you remember these things, then the profit and loss will be very easy. A man buys an article of rupees 490 and sells it for 465.5. Find the loss percentage. See here friends, here the cost price is 490 and he sells, that is selling price is 465.5. See here, you can identify that selling price is less than the cost price, so that the man is experienced with the loss. What is the loss? Loss should be SP minus CP. So what is the difference? If we take the difference, it will be 24.5 friends. So the loss he has occurred is 24.5. What is loss percentage? Loss percentage is given by loss divided by cost price, that is 24.5 divided by cost price. Cost price is 490, which is nothing but 200. This is 24.5 ones are 24.5 20 times, 25 times, that is the loss percentage is 5%. Let us see the another problem. The selling price of an article. Here the selling price is given. Selling price of the article is 648 rupees and it was sold at a profit of, he has already given, he got a profit of 8%. Profit of 8%. What we have to find? We have to find the cost price of the article. Percentage, profit percentage he has given us 8%. We have to find the cost price friends. How to find the cost price? See friends, we have got 8% as the profit. If we think like cost price is 100 with 8% profit, what is the selling price? 108. Similarly, here the selling price is 648. Correspondingly, what should be the cost price? We have to find. Just cross multiply. We will get x is equals to 648 into 100 by 108. 108 6 times, which is nothing but 600. Have you got it, friends? Whatever may be the problem, if you take it in parts or assume cost price as 100, then the answer will become easy, friends. The selling price of a table is 4 by 3 times its cost price. Then we have to find the gain percentage. See, friends, here according to the question, the selling price of a table is 4 by 3 times the cost price. You have to learn this kind of conversion of the statement to the equation, friends. See, the selling price SP of a table is, wherever there is I have put the equal to, and 4 by 3 times, for times I have put into the cost price. This is the way you have to develop your skills, friends. While reading the question itself, you have to have the habit of writing the equation. So SP is equals to 4 by 3 into CP. Okay, from this we can write like SP by CP. I bringing the CP this side, it becomes 4 by 3, friends. Fine. What does this say? See, selling price is 4 parts, cost price is 3 parts. Here, selling price is greater than the cost price. Therefore, profit is, I can say that the difference between selling price part minus cost price part. SP minus CP, that is 4 minus 3, that is 1. From this, I can develop the profit percentage. Profit percentage nothing but profit divided by cost price, 1 divided by 3 into 100, which is nothing but 33, 1 by 3%. Successive discounts into single discount. This is one such important topic, and this is also useful in your daily life, friends. When you go to shopping, you find in Peter England something like 50% plus 50% discount. We think it is of 100% discount, and we will get into the shop and buy some or other goods. See, friends, actually this confines to only 75% discount. How? I will tell you. While solving the problem, we will see what is the hidden trick in this. Okay, friends. Successive discount of 20%, 10% are equivalent to. Suppose the price is 100. If first discount is applied, that is 20% discount is applied, the price you have to pay is just 80 rupees. Again, on this 80 rupees, the 10% discount is second discount, that is 10% discount is applied. What is the 10%? That is 8 rupees. If we minus 80 from 8, then we will get 72. Overall, friends, we are getting 28% discount. From 100 we have got 72. See, friends, we have got just 72 rupees and the discount is 28%. But if you see this 20% plus 20%, we will be deceived that we are getting 30%. No, friends, we are just getting 28% discount. How to remember this? The same way we will solve the next problem. Take 100 as the base. For this, if you apply 30% discount, you have to pay 70 rupees. Again on this 70, if you apply 10% discount, that is 7 rupees. If you minus the 7 from 70, we will get 63. By then we are getting the discount of how much, friends? 37%, not 40%. The same way here, for 100%, if you apply 40% discount, you have to pay just 60 rupees. On the 60 rupees, if you apply 20% discount, you have to minus 12, right? If you minus 12, how much you will get? 48. If you get 48, then how much discount you have got? 52%. So you are getting just 52%, not 40 plus 20, 60%. If you have 100 and 20% is the first discount, that is 80 rupees you have to pay. On that 80 rupees, you have discount of 5%. That is how much, friends? 4 rupees. You are overall getting 76 rupees you have to pay. Thereby, you are getting a discount of 24%. 24%, not 20 plus 5%, 25%. Okay, friends, by this you have come to know that always the successive discounts, actual successive discount is less than the sum of the discounts. Am I right, friends? 20 plus 10, 30% is always greater than the 28%. That is actual discount. Successive discount is always less than the sum of the discounts. Successive discount is less than the 37% is less than the 40%. Sum of the discounts the same. I hope this is clear with you. Let us see another problem. If CP of 10 articles is equal to SP of 8 articles. See, friends, I have said earlier how to write the equation. 10 CP articles is equals to 8 SP articles. If you form this equation, then done. Problem is done. CP by SP. By bringing that SP this side and taking that 10 the other side. 8 by 10. From this we have come, you can see that SP is 10 parts, CP is 8 parts. Here SP is greater than CP. In the sense it is profit, friends. Profit. How much this profit? 10 is SP, 8 is CP. 10 minus 8 is profit. Profit is nothing but SP minus CP. That is 10 minus 8. That is 2. So what is profit percentage is given by profit by P by CP into 100. That is P is 2 profit and CP is 8 into 100. That is 1 by 4, 25% of profit. D is the answer. Okay, friends. If CP of 12 articles, that is CP of 12 articles is equals to SP of 10 articles, then in whole transaction there is a profit of, we have to find how much is the profit. In the same way, CP divided by SP is equals to 10 by 12. Here again we can see the SP is greater than CP, and this difference is given by, that is plus 2 is given by profit, friends. So profit is equals to 2. Percentage profit is given by P by CP into 100. That is 2 by 10 to 100. 20%. If to gain 25% after allowing a discount of 10%, the shopkeeper should mark the price of the article which cost him rupees 360. Okay friends, see here, shopkeeper, first you have to note that it is integrated problem, something like he has to get the gain after allowing a discount. Usually friends, we will be seeing in shops, we will go to a shop if it has only offers, and with offers how can he get profit? So that he will calculate something like, if he has some 100 rupees, he will calculate friends, calculate, and he will set a target. How much you have to get, he will set. If he want to get 25% profit, then he will sell for 125 rupees. Am I right friends? If he has 100 rupees of good, if he has to sell it for 25% profit, he will go for 125 rupees. But you will not come and buy. Only if there is a discount you will come and buy. Am I right friends? Yes. So he will set another price. He will set another price which is called market price. Which is called market price. And from this price he will say that he will give some percentage discount, that is something like 10% discount. Then he will bring down the cost to rupees 125, which you have to pay, which you will be paying. But you will see the price tag or market price or tag price is something different friends. Okay, from this price, if you are given with 10% discount, then you will pay something to some amount to him. From this amount he will get the cost price 100 rupees and also the profit 25 rupees. Okay friends, let us see. Actually the cost of the good is 360 rupees. He wants to sell it for 25% profit. That is, this is 4 times 90. Am I right friends? So 4 times 90 is 360. I will go for 5 times 90. Why I am going for 5 times 90? 4 corresponds to 100. 4 25s are 100. And 4 525s are 125. The logic which I have explained earlier, I have got. See friends, this is how you have to simplify the answer. 4 times 90 is 360 and 5 times 90 is 5 nines are 450 friends. 450. Okay friends, you can find it. If 360 corresponds to 100, then 125 corresponds to what? By cross multiplying you can find it, you will get 450. See friends, but the market price, we have to find the market price. From this market price you will bring down by applying the discount of 10%. Okay friends, if it is 100, this should be 90 friends. That is, if it is 10, this should be 9 parts. If it is 10 parts, this should be 9 parts. Am I right friends? So if you see this, 9 450 into 50 times 950 times 450, the same time I will use the same method here. 10 into 50, that is 500. So if the market price is 500, then after giving 10% discount it will become 450. If you pay 450, then the shopkeeper will get 25% discount. Don't worry friends, we will see another problem so that you will be familiarized with this model. Okay friends, to gain 25% After allowing a discount of 20%, the shopkeeper should mark the price of the article, which cost him rupees 400. Okay friends, we will go the format. Suppose the cost of the good is 400, and after getting 25% profit, it will become 500 friends. If it is of 100, it should be of 125%. 4 times 100, this is 4 times 125, it is 500. Okay friends. Okay, what should be the market price, so that after applying 20% discount, after applying 20% discount, it should be 500. You have to find this. That's it. If it is 20% in the sense, if here if there is 5 parts, then it should become 4 parts. If I reduce that 20% discount for 5 rupees, 20% discount, after 20% discount you are left with 4 rupees. The same, if you see this, the multiplying factor is for 4, it is 125 friends. The same multiplying factor I will apply here, 125. It will become 5 into 125, it is 625. See friends, I am doing this method because it is very easy for me to do this way, or otherwise you have to take like 500 corresponds to 80, then what corresponds to 100, that you have to find. You will get x is equals to 620. Okay friends, the answer is 620. Okay friends, we will see another problem, the same method. To gain 20% after allowing a discount of 5%, the shopkeeper should mark the price of the article, which costs him 475 rupees. Okay friends, we will take up our usual strategy. 475 after 20%, how much it would become? See friends, for me it's difficult to find this. So I take the 10%, that is 47.5, and 47 plus we get 95, and if we add this 95, I get 570. Okay friends, 570. You have to get 570 after the discount has gone, that is after removing the discount part, the remaining amount should be 570. For which market price after the discount of 5% you will get 570. For 5%, see friends, if I think this is 20, then this will become 19 friends, this will become 19, 5% discount. So here the multiplying factor is 19 30 times. Am I right friends? The same 30 here I will apply. 20 into 30 becomes 600. Okay friends. To gain 25% after allowing a discount of 10%, the shopkeeper should mark the price of the article, which cost him 720 rupees. Here friends, it cost for the shopkeeper 720 rupees. He is fixed like he has to get 25% profit. As usual friends, usually if you want to get 25% profit, they will take as 100 to 125, but I will take like it's 4 to 5 for my easy calculations. In the future I will use these kind of parts for easy multiplication. 720, if I think this is of 4 parts, then I have to put it in 5 parts. 4 180 times is 720. In the same way, 5 180 times will become 900 friends. Okay, this is the amount which is going to be paid, but the market price is something After the 10% discount, it will become 900. See friends, for 10%, it is easy to write the parts. For 10%, if it is 10 rupees, it will become 9 rupees after 10% discount. Easy friends, and this is the way I will multiply. See, 9 corresponds to 900, that is 100 times. The same way, 100 times becomes 1000. See, 1000 after 10% discount becomes 900. So the market price is 1000. A shopkeeper mixes 60 kg of sugar, which costs him rupees 20 per kg, with 40 kg of sugar, which costs him rupees 25 kg. He sells the mixture at rupees 26 per kg. His gain is, see friends, he has taken 60 kg of one cost and another 40 kg of another cost and mixes that sugar, and this mixture he kept for selling at higher price. Okay friends, of 60 kg for 20 rupees. How much? It corresponds to 1200. Another 40 kg of 25 rupees. It corresponds to 1000 rupees. Totally how many kgs have formed? 100 kg of sugar. The cost price is the sum of these two, that is 1200. Now he was ready to sell this 100 kg at a cost of 26 rupees, that is 2600 rupees. See friends, he is selling this 100 kg for 2600 rupees, that is selling price. This is cost price. Now you can see that selling price is greater than the cost price. So the gain percentage or profit percentage is given by SP minus CP divided by CP into 100. That is 2600 minus 2200 divided by 2200 into 100. 400 divided by 2200 into 100. Two zeros cancel. 2 11s are 200. What you have got is 200 by 11%, which is A. You got it friends? Just we have to find out the amount for 60 kg and amount for 40 kg. We have to add that, that is CP, and find the SP with the help of the total amount, total weight into the selling price. You will get the selling price of total mixture, and from the selling price and cost price we have to find the profit percentage. Another market price problem. The market price of the bed is rupees 9575. A shopkeeper allows a discount of 12% on its market price. See friends, there is some market price. On this market price, he allows some discount of 12%. After the discount amount, which the customers will pay this amount. If customers pay this amount, then on its market, still he gains 10% profit. Still he gains 10% on his cost price. Are you getting friends? If you pay, if you are the customer, if you pay some amount after availing the discount, then the shopkeeper gets 10% profit with the amount with which you are paying. What is the question? The difference between the market price and the cost price. They have asked the difference between this amount and this amount. Okay, let us see. We are given with the market price, but I will take like, I will assume market price as 100 because I have to approach from here. If I have to approach from here, I will take this as 100. But for this problem, I will assume market price as 100. And after 12% discount, if you are the person buying a good, then you will pay 88 rupees. Am I right, friends? From 100, if you minus 12, that is 12%, you have to pay 88 rupees. Okay, friends. What should be the amount here so that after 10% profit, it will become 88? Suppose if I have 10 rupees, by adding 10%, that is 1 is the 10% of 10. By adding 10, I will get 11. Am I right, friends? This is multiple of 8. The same multiple I will use here. So it will become 80. For 80, if 80 is the cost price, then along with 10% profit, the selling price would become 88. Okay, friends. Here, what is the difference here between 100 and 80? It is 20 rupees difference. If 9575 corresponds to 100, then what corresponds to 80? Or they are asking the difference. So difference we will take. We will take what corresponds to 20. What corresponds to 20? It is just what we can say. This is 5 times, this is 1 time. So friends, we will just divide it by 5 or cross multiply. X is equals to 20 by 100 into 9575. All it will be reduced to 1 by 5 into 9575. It is 9 5 ones are 5 nines are 45, 5 15s are. Are you getting, friends? See, friends, we have to find the difference between the market price and the cost price. Here, if we assume that market price is 100, then what is the difference between market price and cost price? It is 20. So he has already given that 9575 is nothing but the market price. 9575. Then what will be the difference that we are finding? If 9575 is 100, then what is 20? We are finding. By cross multiplying, we get x is equals to 1915. A person purchases 8 pens for rupees 10 and sells 10 pens for rupees 8. How much profit or loss does he make? See, friends, from these 8 pens and 10 pens, we can't find the profit and loss. All we have to do is that we have to equate the number of products. See, friends, the cost price for the person who purchased. He purchased 8 pens for 10 rupees and he sells 10 pens for 8 rupees. From this data, we can't find the profit and loss. What we can do is that we have to equate either the articles, we have to equate either the articles or we have to equate the amount. Let us, we will see that we will equate the articles by multiplying with 10. And here by multiplying by 8, what we will get? 80 pence for 100 rupees and selling price will become 80 pence for 64 rupees. 8 8s are 64 rupees. So from this we have cost price and selling price for same amount of articles. That is, here we can see that clearly selling price is less than the cost price. So we will get, friends, loss. We will get loss because selling price is less than the cost price. CP minus SP by CP into 100. That is, what is CP? 100 minus 64 by 100 into 100. The difference is 36% loss, friends. Loss percentage is 36%. So a trader marks his goods 20% above the cost price, but allows the customer a discount of 5% on it. If he further gives 5% discount for cash payment, then his profit percent in this case is, suppose the cost price of the good is 100 and the trader marks his goods 20% above the cost price, that is 120, and also he allows 5% discount on this market price. We will get 114 because 5% of 120 is 6. By subtracting 6 from 120, we will get 114. Further gives 5% discount for cash payment. Another 5% is also available. What is the 5% of 114? 5% of 114 is 114 divided by 20. We get 257, 5.7. By subtracting 5.7 from 114, we get 108.3, friends. See here, the cost price is 100. At last, the selling price has come down to 108 from 120. From this, we can get the profit is 8.3. In the same way, profit percent is also 8.3% as we have taken 100 as CP. This is another problem. The market price of TV is rupees 32,500. After allowing a discount of 20% to a customer, a shopkeeper still makes a profit of 30%. If he sells the TV at the market price, his profit percent will be, see friends, there is a market price and he gives 20% profit on market price. So the selling price will be the payment price, or the money you will be paying. After giving the 20% discount also, he is getting 30% profit, the shopkeeper. Okay friends, we will consider 100 as the cost price. 100 as cost price. Then the selling price would be 130. The selling price will be 130. Then what will be the market price? This 130 should be after the discount of 20%. We should get 130. In the sense, 130 corresponds to, suppose if this is 100, this should be 80, friends. Am I right? Or we can take, this is 5, this is 4. If the 130 is 4, then what is 5? We have to find this. X is equals to 5 into 130 by 4. We get 4 3s are 12, 4 32.5, 5 25 2s are 162 point. This will be 162.5, friends. 162.5. See, he is asking if he sells the TV at the market price. If the shopkeeper sells the TV not for the discounted price but for the market price itself, then what will be the profit? See, the cost price is 100. If the selling price becomes 162.5, the profit becomes the difference, that is 62.5 rupees. If we consider 100 as CP, then 62.5 becomes the profit percentage, that is 62.5%. C is the answer directly. Here one thing you have to note that we haven't used the value, that is 32,500. Without using 32,500 we have got the answer. There are such problem, friends. If they ask not of profit value but profit percentage or loss percentage, then at times if we take 100, it is enough not to take this value. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video if you are benefited from this, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because every day we are uploading one or other topic. Parallelly, now we are uploading physics and also mathematics classes. The first week of February we will be uploading chemistry and biology classes too. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you, friends.